you guys for joining me for today's Connect University. HandsOn Connect Cloud Solutions is excited to be able to provide any and all of the digital solutions you need, whether it's our flagship volunteer management product, HandsOn Connect, additional insights and trainings with these Connect University sessions, learnings about our partners through Connect Exchange, Salesforce implementation and configuration, custom apps, or our stellar support. We've got you guys covered, and we are excited to offer you the services you need to make your Salesforce and volunteer experience a success. As we like to remind our guests in today's training, I am recording this session for the future. My name is Art, and I'm fortunate to be part of an amazing HandsOn Connect Cloud Solutions team. We span from the East Coast of the U.S. to the West Coast of the U.S. and have folks throughout, and are very excited that our customers now span across the globe. We've added several international customers over the past year, and we're really excited to be growing the HandsOn Connect family in such a way. So for today, we wanted to take a year in review and look at all the great things that were accomplished in 2017. So today we're going to be presenting our team's top 10 improvements, but we definitely welcome your feedback to see what were your favorite features and improvements in HandsOn Connect over the past year. We did release 49 releases, so there have definitely been a lot of great improvements and change over the past year. So starting off with number 10, labs and trainings. We have really grown our support for customers. So in addition to the labs that you're usually used to coming to our drop-in labs, we've expanded and added more sessions. So we actually have 2 sessions on Mondays and Tuesdays. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we still have our other session. We've added nonprofit success pack trainings for customers on a weekly basis. And we've also have published our training calendar. So from here, you can see we have a lot of our daily labs. We have our Connect Universities and our HandsOn Connect trainings. So you can see just from the calendar that there's lots and lots of ways for you to get connected to the support and resources you need, whether it's a refresher on how to use the content management system, or drop in and ask a question on how to manage something with the Nonprofit Success Pack or HandsOn Connect. We really have increased the offerings that we have available to our customers. Because, you know, labs, 8 labs a week. The next thing is our sharing portal. The sharing portal is where partners and volunteer leaders interact with HandsOn Connect to post and manage their volunteer opportunities. We've made a lot of improvements to the sharing portal to make it a lot easier to use in general, but we did add some new functionalities this past year, such as the ability for the agencies to update their company information. I'll actually go ahead and just click over here and show you where that is. So when they log in, they're able to click on My Organization, and they can update their information, upload logos, and even add new contacts to their organization as well. We've also added the ability for agency partners to receive reports that you create through Salesforce and make them available to them so that they can access things such as attendance verification or confirmed volunteer hours and such, so that partners are able to benefit from the reporting that's available. We also know that some of our customers have agencies, partners, as well as volunteer leaders, and so we actually also added the ability to update the homepage in the sharing portal. So if you are in the content management system, you now have the ability to update the sharing portal to be just one default for all users, or you can specify different content for the different types of users in your system. So that is one of the great enhancements, a few of the great enhancements we've made to the sharing portal. Coming in at number 8 is our partnerships. HandsOn Connect, here we are all about working together as a team and collaboration for greater success. And so we've been really fortunate to bring in other members of the Salesforce community and even some outside the Salesforce community into that team to really provide you guys the best services. Some of the examples here are Reward Volunteers, which provides your volunteers with the ability to win prizes, as well as your organization the opportunity to win cash prizes. We've actually had 2 of our customers win $500 grants for the number of volunteers that they've engaged by activating the Reward Volunteer functionality. Mowgli SMS for text messaging campaigns and such, Spanning to help back up your data, Cirrus Insight to really connect your inbox with Salesforce to make it easier to keep track of important communications, and of course, Click and Pledge to help with those donations. These are just a few of the partners that we've started to work with here at HandsOn Connect, and we're excited to continue to grow our family. And the recognition is being received. We were really excited that not only were we able to start working with the Nonprofit Success Pack and their household account model, which really increases the functionality of HandsOn Connect, but we've also been recognized as a HEDA, which is Higher Ed Data Architecture. We were fortunate to be part of the initial group that received the core compatibility certification for HandsOn Connect. So we're able to start working even more deeply with universities and even K through 12 institutions that are using volunteers, which is really exciting. And all this great work helped us earn the Gartner 2017 Frontrunner Award for the work that we're doing. Number 6, the kiosk. This kiosk has seen a lot of change in the past year. One of the big changes is we now have it in a beta release, the ability to scan codes. So you can send your volunteers a QR code that they can access through their mobile device, and then they can scan it when they arrive on site, making it a lot quicker and easier for them to check in. We've also expanded the types of projects that you can use the kiosk for. No longer is it just for date and time specific volunteer opportunities. We now allow the ability for individually scheduled opportunities that have a confirmed connection for that date to be checked in. And in the future, we are going to continue to expand that so that volunteers can check in to other individually scheduled type of opportunities that they've expressed interest to in the past. So be on the lookout for more improvements as we continue to improve the kiosk to help you with your attendance. Number 5. Now this one is a little bit of a subtle improvement, but it is very powerful in what it's capable of doing. Many of us know that individuals in Salesforce typically have a one-to-one relationship with the agency or organization that they are working for. We have now started to leverage the related contacts functionality that comes with Salesforce to allow HandsOn Connect customers to associate contact with multiple organizations and give that individual access to multiple organizations through the sharing portal. So as you can see here on the screen, when an individual logs in, they're able to see all the organizations that they're able to manage and click forward depending on which organization they're going to be working with that day. So this is really helpful, especially if you are using kind of like Boys and Girls Clubs, where there may be one volunteer coordinator, but lots of different sites. That main person can log in and support the different sites, as well as having access, giving individual access at those local sites as well. Number 4, not only have we increased the designs and templates available for HandsOn Connect, we have actually added the ability for customers to have multiple sites now connected to their same Salesforce instance. This is really helpful if you have your main day-to-day business where you're engaging volunteers, but you have a special community event that's taking place, and you need to have that event kind of segmented from your day-to-day projects. We now have the ability for you to do so, and you can have dedicated websites with their own URLs for the different programs and such, while still having those volunteers, making it easy for them to sign up between the two sites and track all that information in one place. So this is an improvement to our sub-site functionality. All right, we're getting into the top 3. Hopefully some of your favorites have come in already, or you've identified and learned some new things. Form and donation builder. Our form builder that comes with the HandsOn Connect product is amazing. There are so many things you can now do with the form builder. One example here that a customer has done is using it to track the impact from the volunteer opportunities. They ask their volunteer leaders to submit this information so that they can capture and track that functionality. So in addition to having logic-based programs, one of the really great things about the form tool improvements is that you can now pull information from Salesforce to create these pick lists. So you can automatically update that information and have it current and related back to your actual data. We're also able to capture and write to Salesforce records and create records in Salesforce for you, which you can then use to trigger notifications and reminders and things like that. So these are some really great tools. The form builder, it also is integrated in partnership with Click and Pledge and other payment processing tools so that you can capture donation requests and actually integrate that all into Salesforce so that your information is kept current and up to date. So if you have a special volunteer event that you ask volunteers to contribute to, or you just want to collect general donations to support your organization, our form tools now allow you to do that in a multitude of ways. Now we're coming to one of my personal favorites, the featured opportunity listing blocks. So these were introduced last year, and I have just been blown away by what is capable to be done with these blocks. So rather than just show you some pictures, I'll actually kind of give you a tour of this. So you can see, let me blow it up a little bit here. You can see that on this site, this is our event demo site, that there is no general search, and that is because we've replaced it using some of the blocks. So we're able to direct volunteers using the listing block to kind of give them highlights of what functionality is available. When you click through to the pages where you can describe what programs are involved with your organization, you can then use the featured opportunity block, as you see here at the bottom of the page, to pull in the related volunteer opportunities associated with that task. It really helps volunteers do a general kind of guide them through different things and help them with the discovery. As you can see, we've also added the ability to embed featured images into your volunteer opportunities. This was something that was released towards the end of 2017. So it's something that's new and we're very excited and looking forward to helping customers take advantage of this feature to really spice up their websites and their search results. The other aspect that comes along with the featured and listing blocks is the ability to have a new search calendar. This new search calendar provides takes advantage of the featured images and kind of presents it in more of an agenda style rather than the traditional blocks of a calendar page. So you can see here for tomorrow, February 19th, we have several projects going on, and we can even look at a few more. So it gives it a very nice visual way for volunteers to search for projects, of course, keeping many of the filters and things that they are used to. And of course, the #1 new improvement to HandsOn Connect in 2017 was we are now Lightning ready. Many of you know that Salesforce has introduced the Lightning experience for your instances, and HandsOn Connect is now compatible and has a Lightning app version that you can use to help move your organization to the Lightning experience. As you can see from the screenshot, and I'll take you over to our Lightning experience Salesforce environment, you can see that it's a lot easier to navigate, a lot of ability to really add some dynamic dashboards. You have the volunteer opportunity wizard, a lot of reports and tables. So it gives you a lot of great activities on your homepage, allows you to really leverage the Lightning functionality to use for your organization, to make it easier to train new staff and navigate the functionality. So if you're looking to move to the Lightning experience, HandsOn Connect is here and ready to move with you. So as we look into 2018, what can you expect from the HandsOn Connect teams? So of course, we're going to continue to enhance the Lightning experience and add some more HandsOn Connect functionality, or taking advantage of some of the great new enhancements done to the Lightning product. We're also going to be talking about predictive and artificial intelligence, using things like Salesforce Einstein to help promote volunteer opportunities, as well as help you identify volunteers that would be great candidates for your organization. And of course, while our site is already mobile responsive, we will be working and releasing a mobile app in 2018 to make it even easier for your volunteers to search and sign up for your volunteer opportunities. I hope you've enjoyed our review of 2017 and are excited as we are to move forward into 2018, continuing to build on the great functionality that has already been developed for HandsOn Connect. Of course, if you missed any of, if you want to learn more, we are going to be having our next Connect University next Thursday, where we'll be taking a deeper dive on how to use the list and feature blocks to replace search, as I demonstrated on our events page. And you can register for this at handsonconnect.org/webinars. Of course, this recording, as well as all of our recordings from 2017, are available through our YouTube channel and accessible at the HandsOn Connect website. So make sure to check out those features and functionalities that you may have missed as we take deeper dives into those products. Thank you all for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you at the next Connect University session.